Hi guys, it's Louise. Often when you clean up your house, you tidy up, you throw out stuff, you also tidy up your life. And I was reminded about that when I found this whole lot of old business cards from when I was a psychologist, and I had a kimono salon at one point. Yeah, those were really nice, and I started to shuffle them. Of course, they're a really nice size, and they shuffled so well. And I thought, this is nice paper. Why should I throw it all out? I mean, that's a bit silly. So I started to draw all kinds of things, and tarot cards, and I wanted to show you what I did. Look at this magician. He's like, whoa, hang on, can I do this? This is a lot of force. And there's a papes who's reading like reality. What is that, and it's creeping in on her or whatever, and it's going into her book, and she's reading for the kind of signs for blind people. I don't know what that is in English. She's a little guarded and very voluptuous and beautiful empress. Yeah, heart-shaped stuff going on here. And then I did the emperor just now. This ginger fella, I think he is quite cool and a bit hot, actually. I have a ginger daughter. Yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to show you what I've been up to, and take care. Oh yeah, say hi to Zeus. He's lying here next to me, being a really lazy cat today. He was out running, and it's not his bone. It's not his bone. So anyways, take care guys. Ciao.